Hello, this is a quick video on how to add team members to your Spur workspace. You go to settings, then team, then you have this section pending invitations. Go here, invite team members, type the email address of the person that you want to invite. They will receive an invite in their email inbox and they will be able to come to Spur to use your Spur workspace alongside you. So you'll have to give them a role. So owner is the highest, you can give them the authority, and then there's admin, then marketing lead, then support agent. So for example, with the least access, you could give somebody that's for the role of support agent. You can allow them to only view the messages in the shared inbox. They cannot go and add more team members. They cannot change channel settings. They will not see much of the settings to begin with. Here they'll only see general and notifications. So if you want to also make teams out of the people that you already have on your account, once they have accepted your invitation and come to Spur to use it alongside you, you can create teams of those people, out of those people. And you can also at any point in time change their roles. So you can give them access that is higher than what they have at that time, or you can give them less access if you'd like. Now, if you wanted to add team members to your account, you'd have to know that AI Start plan comes with 2 user seats. That means 2 people on the same workspace can be there in your team. AI Accelerate plan comes with 5, and AI Max plan comes with 10 people that can be on your team, and that is including the owner of the account. If you wanted to add more people to your account, there are 2 ways. You upgrade from the AI Start plan to the AI Accelerate plan, or if you're on the AI Accelerate plan and you want more than 5 user seats, you can go to the AI Max plan. But if you'd rather not do that, you could also purchase add-ons. So additional user add-ons are there. You can choose as many people as you would like to have on your team and pay for them. And once you have, you can go to update add-ons. That will open a Stripe checkout link. You authorize the transaction and we charge you for that. And once that's done, you can invite as many people as you would, since you have paid for that essentially. So that's how it's done. Bye.